Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Trade with Sumant. So today we are going to discuss how to navigate in January and February and how to beat the market and make the money in the January. That is the goal in this video. And we do trading with MTF. So if loss happens, it happens thrice force because MTF gives the leverage of thrice. And if we make money also, we make a profit of third and fourth. So how to safeguard ourselves and how to make money in the January. That is the discussion for today. So if you can see historically 10-year average returns, January and February both years are negative, and these are the only years apart from it. August is one month where Nifty has been negative. So selling will come in January and February, and from March budget changes, everything happens. Then results will come, everything. Then market starts rallying, and this is what the historically keep on happening, right? So now if market falls 1 or 2%, we will be playing with mid cap, small cap. So and with MTF, so if some 5% portfolio level loss happens, means with MTF we will be drawdown will be like 15%, right? Because we will be having 4x 3x leverage. So how to handle this, right? So there are 3 4 ways to handle this. There are 3 4 sectors are there to handle this. By the way, this is just my analysis. It is not a recommendation, buy or sell recommendation. So there are 3 4 ways to safeguard ourselves in January and make money also, beat the market also, right? One is IPO stocks. IPO stocks will not care where the market is going, right? So it will, if selling is done, buying needs to be coming, IPO will go crazy, right? And we will be following the price volume properly, exit entry and all. If so, it will be we can beat the make some money in IPO. For example, there is something called ERSSBL. It has rallied like 60% in 15 days, and then sell off came and one pullback happened, another sell off came. I think sell off is done, and even if we enter here also, stop loss will be around this days low and 4% low, right? 4% will be the stop loss, right? Second one is the lens card, right? So it gave the IPO base breakout, right? So and then it went up and sell off cleared here, and yesterday only we entered us again, not a buy and sell recommendation, right? And I had some Tata Capital also doing the same thing, I think. So where is Tata Capital? I had in my watch list, but I removed. If you can see Tata Capital chart also, this is also IPO stock. It has given the breakout and doing the same thing, right? So this is how you can play with the IPO, right? Second sector which is looking good is agrochemicals. Since from January, people, farmers will start strategizing how to play for next year. So agrochemicals will do well, right? Fertilizers and all. So Zuari Agro, I have mentioned it as a stock of the week also. Even in the December and all, when there is no need of fertilizers, it has given the rally of 80%. Right? And the sell-off happened, and now it is forming a cup, right? So in a month it may go 10-20% also. With MTF we will make really good return also, right? So this there are other stocks also in fertilizers we are focusing on. We are looking, once we get something, I will update you in the YouTube channel. You can just subscribe me, and so that you get the notification whenever I update something, right? So that is the second way. One is the IPO. We have two stocks to do that, ARSSBL and Lenscard. So by the way, this is like the lowest entry we are getting. Risk to reward is also fine. So that is what, right? But that is why I'm saying this is not a buy and sell recommendation. This is for just how we played, how we handled this situation of even the market falling conditions are there, how we navigate and how we bring better results. That is the thing here. And the third way to play is, there is a hope that in budget related stocks will be there, like defense will be there, railway will be there. There will be hope that in this budget there will be more allocation to defense, there will be more allocation to PM Kusum Yojana, that Shakti pump, roto pumps will be there, right? And this hope will be there in the January and February. So, and last 6 years data also, RVNL, if you take the average, railway stocks have given the average of 26%. Sorry, RVNL has given 24% return from on average on January in the last 6 years average, right? Even in the worst case, if we are making 4% also, right? So no, in the railway sector basket, 4% also with MTF we will be making 60%, 12%, and we are beating the market and we are making money. So that is the goal, yeah. But I don't have RBL in my system yet. Karnak system has come in my system. It has given a good rally and it is at its all-time high, right? And the railway kavach, right? That it will come. So it will come into that section, and it has given the good pullback also. Risk to reward is becoming 10 EMA. This another pullback, or if this high goes, we can enter into this. So again, this is the timely video. If you again, it is not a buy and sell recommendation also, but if I had entered into Karnes microsystem, I would have entered like this, right? If another pullback comes, that is fine. Whenever this pullback selling is completed and it forms a new high, then I will enter into this, right? These are the three ways. And fourth way is metal. Metal, I think, is going to be a multi-bagger year. So it is going to go 40-50% also, may go 40% as a sector only, right? But I don't have in my this Jan watch list, I haven't added it in the metal sector. Why means there is a currently one big pullback came and next day rally also has come. So I am not sure. So these are the sure things, right? So these are the 5 things I have in my list, and I have another one also, Mufin. Pure technical analysis chart, that's it. So buying came here, I mentioned this also, chart of the week kind of thing, right? So now we have Carnex also in our list. ARSSBL is there, Lenskart is there, and I didn't talk about the KTK, Karnataka Bank, I think. So one was the IPO base, play with the IPO base. Second one is the budget, budget hope, railway sectors, defense hope, the sectors doing well. But in our system, for now, Carnex microsystem has come. And second thing is, it belongs, definitely they have to do something, because railway accidents needs to be stopped, right? It comes into that kavach thing. So buying also looking good, technically also there, fundamentally also a great stock, and it is at its all-time high level also. So and next, third way is metals. Metals, we I need some time to finalize the metals, right? And the there are fourth way is PSU banks. Okay, there are like two sectors which is going to be a multi-bagger sector in 2000s, give the highest return in the 2026. One is metal, second one is the PSU bank. Okay, PSU banks especially. So why I have chosen Karnataka Bank as next? There are multiple stocks are there. I have chosen Karnataka Bank. Why means Karnataka Bank is been chosen by the has been invested by the Cupid promoter. Cupid is the, you can search about the Cupid. Cupid is the multi-bagger stock of this year. That promoter whatever he buys, it will double in the 3 to 4 months. You can do research about it. I will talk about this more also. And technical wise also, this is where Cupid promoter bought. It was in the stage 4. It was going in the down trade. Now that reversal is coming, right? And double bottom has formed. One buying has formed, second, third buying. So if it goes about what I say, I should add. So again, not a buy and subscription. I would have played in this way, right? So that is why Karnataka Bank also is another way to navigate in the January and February. And I will update you how this plays out, how well I will do. and I will update my watch list for next 2 months also. This watch list will keep on updating, so do like and subscribe to keep on liking subscribing the videos, so that you can take the most of this. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.